Good morning, gang, and welcome back. If you're new here, hello. Basically, I am on a mission to never work a 9 to 5 again and work for somebody else. So I'm trying everything I can in the UK, trying loads of different things, giving you tips and ways to make money. But my first massive goal has been reselling. And basically 3 weeks and 3 days ago, I uploaded my first item to eBay, and currently today I'm sat at, I believe it's about £1,100. It's obviously not all profit because I've paid for certain things and then sold it and so on, but basically all of the things I've been paying for have been like a quid, maybe £2. So not expensive at all. My profits have been really good. But yeah, if you are watching this one, it's actually going to be a little bit different to my normal videos. I'm not going to be working my ass off like normal. I'm not up at 6 AM and going to bed at 11 PM working all day and showing you what I do. This one, instead, I'm up at 7 AM, so I had a little lie-in. It's Sunday morning, it's a bank holiday, and I'm going to another car boot. I was going to give myself the day off, but because I woke up at like 10 to 7, I've never been to this one before. It's 30 minutes away. It's called Nen Park in, I think it's Wellingborough. So one, I get to trial a new place to see if it's going to be good for me in the future to collect items from so that I can sell. But also, until Thursday, it's the only way I can get some stock. Then I'm away for like 8 days at my girlfriend's. So as much stock as I can get so I can keep listing each day whilst I'm away will make my life a lot easier. But why this one's going to be different? Again, I am now going to a car boot and then going home, then going over to my sisters who I haven't seen for about a year and a half. All of my family are going, and I haven't seen all of my family together in years because I've been travelling for 11 years. So that'll be really nice. And then afterwards, I'm going to see my dad, and he lives down further south, and he actually lives on a canal boat, on a narrow boat, and he lives the dream. So I'm spending the night with him on the boat, and then we'll just have drinks and just chat shit for hours. It'd be really nice to see him. Again, haven't seen him in like a year and a half. So that'll be really good. And then tomorrow morning, and it'll all be in this same video, I'm going to wake up and I'm going to Gloucester, and I'm going to the cheese roll-in, if you know what that is. It'll be the first year I've ever actually been. I've always wanted to go, but again, because I was travelling, I was away for 11 years, it's really difficult for me to ever work out doing it. So yeah, it's going to be a bit of a different video. At the minute, I'm currently going to Shell. So you just saw me leave my house, and in a second, well, maybe 30 seconds from now when I pull up, I'm at the garage, and that's where I post my items in the locker. I've got, I believe, 8 items this morning to post. So again, some nice early morning profits, and then straight onto the car boot. And yeah, it's basically next to me now. All right, let's see what I can get. Would you do 7 for both if I bought these?
No.
8?
Yeah, 8. I'll do 8.
God, I'll take those, darling.
All right, mate.
Thank you. Have you got change for 10?
Yeah.
There you go, give me that. Thank you. I've never been to Nen Park before, and it's shit. There's so many like Eastern Europeans just trying to flog fake stuff, and someone's trying to sell super dry hoodies for a tenner. You're having a laugh. Worst car boot I've ever been to, and I am dripping. Nen Park. It's basically like being in Poland. It's Eastern Europe, and they're all selling fake stuff and overpriced. There was some bloke from like Poland had this whole rail of just super dry that he's probably been given, and every single hoodie he was trying to sell for 10 quid. It's fucking super dry. What are you doing? Anyway, yeah, I'm going to head back home now. I'll show you what I did get. And then I need to get ready, go to my sister's, and then have a fun weekend off work. So I just got back. I got this kid's North Face tracksuit. I got it for £6. And then, oh, there's a jumper. And then she threw this in for £2. So I thought, fuck it, I'll have it. It made it cheaper by me getting more. I got a Henry Lloyd jumper for £2. Got 2 kids Arsenal tops. One's got Trossard on the back, and I got those for £3, so £1.50 each. Some Salt Rock chino shorts, got them for £1, and a North Face top for £1. So £15. I'll probably make 45, maybe 50. So yeah, it's not too bad. But I need to get ready now. I've got to go to my sister's in Oxford. And then to my dad's later, which is further down south. And then tomorrow to Gloucester, cheese rolling. So I'll see you later on, gang. So just saw my family and my sister, which was really nice. Had a meal with them all. Just at the house, like in the garden. But now I'm in Hungerford, going to find my dad on his boat. And I've got us, like, some really nice sausages and some venison burgers. No, ostrich burgers. And spend the night there. And then tomorrow will be the cheese rolling. Let's go find this old boy. Here it is with the Hobbit man himself. He built all this himself. It's actually sick. It's old and he lives on his own, so it's dirty. But it doesn't need to look nice because he lives on his own. But I'll show you the inside shortly. I'm just going to have a few beers and a catch up. What a life, eh? Just chilling. Yeah, like, it is a fucking mess because he lives on his own and he just doesn't need to do anything with his life. But he built all of this all the way through there. You got the fireplace, kitchen, views, and then toilet, bathroom, bath, and then bedrooms just back here. And then you got a little viewpoint bit out the back. Oh, it's a cool way to live. God, I'm so sweaty. It's ridiculously hot this weekend. But it's nice, enjoying a few ciders, having a catch up. And then I'll get up early tomorrow and I will go to the cheese rolling. So stay tuned for that. And my dad built this as well, which is fucking sick. Just randomly got a bit of wood, carved all of it, and the only bit that's separate is the head. You can see where he's glued it on. So sick. Epic carpenter. Just a couple of drinks. Sun's finally hidden behind there, getting some shade. Oh, and we'll be doing a little barbecue. I got 4, like, I don't know, I can't remember, apple sausages or something. And 2, God, I'm drunk. What was it? Ostrich burgers. Scenes. Imagine this though, it's pretty cool. Just every day, just chilling. It'll be a bit shit in the winter, but it's nice. And we got this as a view. Epic scenes. Morning gang, we're back. And today is cheese rolling. So I just said bye to my dad, got in my car, got another hour drive to get to Gloucester, and then go watch some people break some bones. Should be funny. I'm actually going to get there really early because there's like one little car park that's free near it. Really hoping I get a nice spot there. Then I don't have to walk so far. And then yeah, I'll go make sure that I get a good spot because I actually want to be able to watch it. And it's not very big at all, so the amount of people that go, you really want to be at the very front, especially if I want to record some of it. And then I can show you, give you some ideas and some inspiration. So one day in the UK, you can go and do this on bank holiday. But yeah, it's going to be brilliant. I'm actually quite excited. So yeah, just another 50 minutes or so, and then I'll show you the hill and hopefully some funny fails. I just had to walk through this lovely forest, and now, sports fans, it looks like we've made it. But I want to go and find a really good spot, hopefully just down on the side. So I'm going to go there, but the view's insane. This forest is really nice as well, and there's loads of wild garlic. So I'm going to get some wild garlic on the way home, and I don't know, might make like a pesto or something. I'll show you it.
Right, well, I guess I'm doing it.
So steep, man, honestly. You're right, pal. Fucking hell. Carnage.
I've run it. Yeah, years ago. Took my game in official events, so when it was.
Sit down! Shame! 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 Shame!
Blowing. Yeah, that was mental. Like, they're so brave to do that, honestly, absolutely flying. But I've got to go find my car now through this forest, and then I'll find some wild garlic. I'll pick up some wild garlic, and then I don't know what I'll make with it. I've already got food cooked at home, but maybe like a pesto or something might be nice. God, I'm blowing. Right, I need a map. Yeah, all of this here is wild garlic. You can tell because it's under the trees. You can smell it. If you take a leaf, give it a smell, it smells like garlic. And you sometimes see these buds and they're white. So I'm just gonna take a few of these, put it in my bag, and then I'll make something later or tomorrow. And then pop it in there. Yeah, look, it's everywhere. Obviously you don't want the yellow ones. It's not the start of the season, it's like, I'd say middle. They're going to start dying now, so this is the best time to get them. And I just need to go and find the car. Then I've got a 2-hour drive back to Northampton, and then go to the lockers and post some items that I sold over the weekend. I showed you how much I work and that I overwork myself. I gave myself the weekend off to go to the cheese rolling, see my dad and family and stuff. Got back yesterday and said that I was going to go deliver my parcels and bits, and I was absolutely shattered. So I said at 5 PM, like, I'm having a nap. Instantly fell asleep, woke up at 7 AM this morning. Oh, right, that's the end of this one. If you enjoyed the cheese rolling and you want to follow along because you want to see more mad UK adventures, please subscribe, because I'm going to be doing loads. I've got a whole list of all of the best things in the UK, and I'm going to be going to pretty much all of them, as long as, well, I don't need to work, I can take whenever I want off, but as long as the weather's okay for them and I'm free, I'll be going to all of them. And yeah, if you can drop a comment, like, all that stuff. I'll see you on the next one, gang. Gang, gang.